Hey guys, picking up poop. And we said to pick this up.
It's cold. The gloves are gonna.
Okay, let's see if we can break this piece of ice.
Oh, dude.
What was in there?
The ice. Oh, there's beans. Never mind, put it back.
Look at this.
Beans. It's rock. Put it back, put it back, put it back.
Oh, it smells.
Oh, I think it's clean as aquarium stuff.
How'd you make me flip this? Oh.
Hello.
Oh, smells. Alright, well, got that. Okay. No ice breaking today, boys. See you, like, what, in an hour? Now, go.
I think I broke the light.
You could just like take it apart, so. Boop. Boop. Boop.
Hello guys. So we put the roof up. It looks a little ghetto, but that's okay.
It works.
It works.
I'm gonna take this off.
Yeah, that's kind of what's going on right now. We have half of it on, and then some parts are still frozen, so we're having some issues. So that's frozen into the ground. We can't close this. And then we have this part to put up. So we bought 3 tarps. The one up, got the sides going. And then yeah, that's all for today. I'll check in again before we leave, but after the other side goes on, we're gonna go inside and sleep. Yeah. Yeah.
So, almost of it up. I don't know if I think I was halfway last time I filmed. I'll double check, but now I'm gonna move that, bolt it up, and then that should be it. And then I'll be ready for the car to come in tomorrow. Might be too loud, but I have a bad back. Bad back from the car accidents. People hit my car. And my back hurt, so for someone do my hobby, you gotta drinks in my car. But I gotta be careful. So if you see me struggling, I'm weak. Let's try this. Got me the bolt. Give gas, give gas, give gas, give gas. Shit. Can you hear it? Get some gas. Get some beans. Yeah, let's try again. Pump the thing again. And you maybe just need some fuel. It's cold out, keep in mind. Okay. Let's try again. Are you just starting it? Is it you gassing it? Let go gas. Running rough, but we'll get there, boys.
I think you should move the little wheels or the pieces of wood.
You're gonna be back there guiding it. Let's try doing it before I die.
We'll go in the back left.
Your wheels are like...
What?
Oh, your wheel doesn't work.
What?
Your wheels.
The back one behind you.
Doesn't work?
It doesn't spin.
What the fuck?
This one doesn't spin.
Well, e-brake's done and everything's staying. Unless e-brake sees. The power? Are the lights on? Oh. You turn the key? Turn the key?
No. There you go. Oh. Oh.
Oh, my foot.
Oh no.
Here, just back up. You're on my foot.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Lucky you. You're still though.
Okay. Want me to drive it?
I don't know.
Okay, let's try it.
Where?
What?
Reverse?
You get stuck on the road.
I don't know why I want to go forward. Brakes are on. The one wheel doesn't move, right?
Yeah, there's one.
How's your clutch? Pump your clutch.
Okay.
What's that?
Oh, one wheel doesn't work?
Oh, there you go. It's working now. Oh, never mind. There you go. I like my car better.
On the highway.
Ah!
No power steering this.
No?
Alright, thank you. You may have heard this multiple times from me, but I will never get tired. And as our way of showing you
Oh my god. Clean up time. Clean up time. Clean up time. Just finished the birthday party and just washed Emily's Celica. Nice. Nice. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. No more salt on it. Yeah. Yeah. That's nice. Yep. Yep. That's it. Hey guys, quick update. So we got the car yesterday, and I did not take any footage of me going through the car yet. It's pretty cold right now, so waiting for things to warm up. But yeah, it is Sunday, March 17th, and really long day yesterday, so we're just gonna relax all day today before we start work again tomorrow. So hopefully over the week, or yeah, over the week I'll be going over what I need, what I'll be getting. Emery, any update you want?